My own opinion. I want to ask the governor of Imo State, Governor Hope Uzodimma. When you come to Imo State today, there is a hotel everywhere. There is entertainment house everywhere. And you guys are building another heavy event hall in Owerri. The question I'm asking, if this kind of news is coming on every day on social media, everywhere you go, Imo State, the people in Imo State, some youth are now relocating, going to the other state where they feel safer than their own state. So from abroad come back, they know they will not come to their state. They prefer to pay fly for their family to come and see them outside Imo State. The governor of Imo State, if the youth run or everyone is afraid, who is going to develop Imo State? Nothing lasts forever. It may be there for a few years and you come down, another place will take on. But I tell you people to always leave a legacy. There's nothing more better than leaving a legacy in office, anywhere you find yourself. So now, if the police are busy harassing the young youth in the state, then who is going to develop the state? Please, I want you guys to watch this video before I come back and continue.
Adam, a very quick one. Yesterday, I went to a report. Our filling station on Akwakuma Junction. The police picked 2 guys. They are able to fuel na filling station. The police don't have their able to fuel. Then the 2 guys no kwa na mention abo. They are able to fuel. Ndoka na kwa. So police are no na able fuel. Those boys are able to able to fuel. Before you know it, the police are ready. Hey you, come now. Umokrobi are even embarrassed. Bring your phone, bring your hand. Nana have phone. Before you know it, because she bring a handcuff. A handcuff. Kega umokrobi abo be able fuel. Kega handcuff naka. Tige hana boot moto. Move. Na kwa junction here ki hamere. Na kwa junction here ki hamere yesterday. You know? And this thing has been happening in Imo State. Police officers keep picking young men at random. Ogu for the Honda epically. Families are not their children are. You know? Parents are not mohacho. Families are not. The thing are too much. Upon the fact that on the joint tax force, that able he lost. The operation flush and search, or search and flush. Everywhere ha backre. Guys line it up, and make transfer. Everywhere these people ha line it up. Guys say, give guys ha line it up, never ha transfer. The police people who pick those people. Bring those boys back. Bring those boys who no pick it at random. I know how could you for sure. He had the BI fuel. The container had the BI fuel is still there. It's still there at the filling station. Container had the BI fuel is still there at the filling station. What is wrong with you people? I keep asking, what is wrong with you people? Eberuni here and the police. The police, Eberuni here, man. Extortion, amurunu more extortion. Amurunu more intimidation. Yeah? I will kill you, and nothing will happen. We will shoot you here now, you will die. You will shoot yourself and you will die. It is you that will die. Since you want to kill somebody that is innocent. I don't understand it. Is that how to do arrest? Only arrest. There is no civility again in this business. There is no civility again in this business. There is no rule of law again. A young man, at that point, at that point, or won't do call Jesus. Una just pick him at random. Otakachile ke shape pick one day. You people don't know what is karma. The police are nezuzu here. Una ma hear what karma. Karma will visit your family. I swear to God, Kama will visit your family. You know, to a peak, a peak, Unamahuma, Mokrobia, Rosh, and me hospital, and I say, Abia probably go with ego. Baby Kazon do me, Mokazon do 1 year, Mokazon do 1 year, Mokazon do anybody friend. Una just pick a piam. Whether he show to a homo. God will pick you people at random, as you are picking innocent youths of Imo State at random. Heavenly Father that I serve will pick you people at random. And don't pick you no agayo. Keep picking guys. No, keep extorting them. Chileke ge make extort. And the extortion chileke ge make ega afutangu nimi. Una man here will kama. You guys don't know what is kama. You guys don't know what is boomerang. You guys don't know what is natural justice. Una maya. Unu mawu, unu jebe, unu police. You can pick anybody. You can arrest anybody. You can extort anybody. There is one man you can never extort, and that is God. There is not one man you can never pick at random, and that is God. And there is one man that can pick you at random and you will disappear forever. Both your body and your soul will rot in hell, and that is God. The joint task force, sir. The joint task enough is enough. The joint task force, sir. You keep picking young men. You keep extorting them. What is coming for you is natural justice. Natural justice. That is what is coming. God will deal with you. You cannot do this job. My father was a police officer. Gentle police officer. Gentleman of a police officer that never took bribe. I can swear. Because I know my father. But you are training your children with ego bribe. And you think karma will not come. You think natural justice will not be served. It is coming. Just get ready. Nda pick Roma aka na akwa Akuma Junction filling station here. Bring them back. Bring those boys back. Kahabia were kan haji be fuel. Bring them back. Kahabia were kan haji be fuel. This is how you people pick people at random. Nde fure fu. Ndana ho hande ho. Alotazi ha dizi akekra. You keep doing this thing and you think you are God.
So my wonderful people, now don't hear them. This thing now for inside Owerri, they happen. For inside town, where people they live village. Some youth they leave their villages. They come town, may they feel safe, because if they see them for around all those areas where things they happen for inside Olu, they go send one of them and they go buy them with no judgment. And those youth now still come town, can't leave. Now still problem. Governor Hope Uzodimma, are you really watching the police or trying to look into this matter of things that is happening? Currently, you are a governor. Tomorrow, you may not be governor. Another person will take on. And if your children, because your children will not everlastingly be in that convoy, or will not everlastingly be protected with gun. One day they will be free as a normal person. Likewise, the children of Hakemo, children of Achiku Denwa, and other past governor of Imo State, likewise like them, and they come back and tell you, Papa, look at what happened today. And you say, Papa, but where you are a governor, is this kind of thing happening in your state? I don't know what happened to the brain of these our leaders. Once they assume power in office, their brain will got lost immediately. Automatically, what they think is that how are they going to play game and get more money in their pocket and go and buy house in US or in Canada? And they are not thinking of making their own state a Canada where they can enjoy. My people, na so it be o, and now I say I bring and come show na. And mona know wetin dey happen, and for the youth, I beg, may be very careful. Anything wey go implicate you to enter inside wahala, no do, no enter, and share the video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.